My project is about the Sustainable Development Goal 6, clean water and sanitation. I decided to work on this SDG because I have discovered that we're running out of water. It's not only people not getting access to it about the real danger of not having water at all. Water pollution is a significant challenge which affects both human health and the environmental in many countries. Achieving universal coverage by 2030 will require a six-fold increase in current global rates of progress on drinking water, a five-fold increase for sanitation, and eight-fold increase for hygiene. Boosting infrastructure investment, improving across-sectoral coordination, and addressing climate change is key to getting SDG 6 back on track. Figure 6.1 and 6.2, achieving universal coverage by 2030 will require an increase of 5 to 8 times in current rate. Children 6.3 and estimate 58% of wastewater generated by households with safe trade in 2022 based on data from 104 countries and territories. Target 6.4 Water use efficiency. Target 6.5 Lacks effective frameworks. Target 6.6 Surface water bodies including lakes, rivers, and barriers. As you can see, there's a lot to be done. The thing its action should not only be taken by states or countries or by the most powerful, but we are obligated to contribute and on a daily basis in order to prevent water from being pollution and being wasted. Remember, it's a natural resource that belongs to us all. We need water to live.